Hello, my name is Ahmad Rais Dwijaya. My name is 19112825. We will discuss about Arduino microcontroller. Arduino is a single board microcontroller that uses open source, derived from a writing platform designed to facilitate the use of electronic in various fields. The microcontroller is programmed using the Arduino programming language, which has syntax similar to the C programming language. But this language has been facilitated using function as a translator into a simple programming language, so that it can be learned easily. With the Arduino, the hardware can work together with the software. You can control the hardware of the software, and the hardware can provide data to the software. Everything can be done with a relative easy, cheap, and fun. Now, it is easy to get microcontroller. There are many stores that sell the microcontroller, ranging from pirated or original ones, ranging from cheap to expensive.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Julius Kustianto, name 19112795. In here I will explain what we can make with Arduino. Okay, here we go. Okay, in the first in here we can using Arduino to turn on the lamp with the voice. How it work is pretty easy. We just need to say something to Arduino. We can say like turn on the lamp or turn on the green lamp, yeah, like this. The lamp will automatic to turn on.
Kalian pencet ya logo mic ini, icon mic. Hijau nyala. Nah, lampu warna hijau doang nyala. Hijau mati. Nah,
Second, we can turn on the lamp in the home with using telephone. Yeah, I will show you the video. Actually, we can make a robot, we can make a security system, and then we can make the running tag with Arduino and other. Okay everyone, so much for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ananda Febrian Samartian. My name is 19.11.28 and 56. In here, I want to make Arduino circuit, and this is the circuit. Let's check out. First, go to tinkercad.com. And then click circuit and create new circuit. Then we search Arduino, and the result is Arduino Uno R3. And we take breadboard small. Okay, then we input LED in here. I input the different color: green, yellow, orange, blue, red, and white, and back to green again. We put resistor. And we input push button. After that, we place the cable. Oh wait, okay. Okay, and GND is ground. We put in here, and 5V means 5 volt. We put it in here. Oh sorry, wait. Okay, then at 8 we drag the cable to here. Okay, the 7 is in here. In here. Oh wait. Then the third is same. We must make the cable is neatly. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I'm wrong. Okay, next is same like here. Okay, after that we place a cable in here. Okay, then in here. Oh wait, this 9 is the cable to here. Oh, okay. Okay, then from here. Oh wait. Okay, already. You can change the wire color to same as this LED. This green and green, this yellow and yellow, this orange and orange, this blue and blue, this red and red, this white and white, this is the Android. This is the Arduino circuit, and the syntax will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Khalif Ar-Rahman. Name 1911-2799. Here I will explain the parts and their uses. The first, this is Arduino R3. Arduino is open source electric kit specifically designed to make easy for users. Arduino is fully controlled at Mega32 microcontroller. Many things can be done. It all depends on your creativity. The function as prototyping for microcontroller circuits. Arduino can be connected and control LED, several LED, even many LED, DC motors, relays, servo modules and sensors, and many other components. And next, this is breadboard small. Breadboard is board that is used to make temporary electronic circuits. With the I am testing prototyping without having to solder. By utilizing the breadboard, the electronic components used will not damage and can be used to make other circuits. This is resistor. Resistor is one of the most frequently used components in the electronic circuit. Resistor function is resistance or resistance that is able to regulate or control voltage and current of the electronic circuit. This is push button. Push button is switch in the form of a button and function as breaker or connection electric current from the current to the electrical load. This is LED. LED as indicators or indicator signals or indicator lightnings, and and connected using wire. And now we will try to run the Arduino. Okay, like this. Maybe just that. Thank you for attention. Okay.
Yeah, next with me, Joe. The program that we met is like this. I start the simulation. Nah, if the button is pressed, the LED will light from the middle to right and left side. Here I will explain the code step. First, we analyze the pin name on Arduino so that it's easy to use. For example, here the red LED connected to pin 8. I name with red one. Button connect to pin 9. I name with button. Here you free to give name, up to you. Don't forget to be marked with semicolon. Follow like this. Next, file setup. In this step is the program that is run only once. We set the with pin mode. We set with input or output. For input, it means receiving a signal for input, and while output, it means sending a signal. Digital write. Digital write, if the pin set output 1 means turn on and 0 means turn off. If the pin set output 1 means turn off and 0 means turn off, because the button if set input, so 1 is turn off. Turn off. Next, the fight loop. Then in the section program that it's run repeatedly or looping or continuously, we analyze the data that is read from the button. For example, I name with status button, digital, right, from the button. Next we give with if-else condition. If-else condition. This is the main program. If-else conditions. On void loop, we set the status button same as 0 or turn on. We set for LED light from green, then don't forget to give a delay from we give a yellow, orange, and next win red. In the else step we set all LEDs off 000. Finally, we just need to upload code to the Arduino and the program can be run like this. Thank you.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.